Hello guys, in this video we will talk about how to use Edit Poly with Turbo Smooth. So let's start guys. So firstly we will select a plane from the command panel and we will draw a plane like this, and we will change the properties from there to edged faces, and then we can change the segments like this in the modify panel. Yep, and then go to the modifier list and we will select the edit poly. After selecting edit poly, we can select the second option from there, edge, and we can select the edge from there and select the move option from there, and holding your shift just drag it like this and drag it upwards, and again we can hold a shift and we can play it down there, down upwards, and again downwards, and after that we can select that edge and like that. Yeah, like that. So we can select now multiple edges by holding a control. So let's start. Yeah, holding your shift again, and where do you want it, and where do you want it? Yeah, it's looking like a bit complicated. So after that we can go to the modifier list again and we can select the turbo smooth from there. Here, when you select a turbo smooth, you can see your object like this, and we can change the iterations from there like this, and your object will be looking like this, and we can turn it off and then on, turn it off, on. You can see the results back. And if you want to edit your object again, then go to the edit poly, turn it off, and we can drag it back by clicking the shift. Yeah, we can change a shape from there, a little bit shape. Yeah, and then again go to the turbo smooth and your object will be looking like this. I think it's cool. Yep, so that's how you can use a turbo smooth with the edit poly in 3ds Max by using these simple commands. Thank you so much guys.